Hello everyone, welcome to ICT classes. Dear students, today we will learn about communication cycle. What are its principles and what are elements of communication cycle? Business communication cycle process. This is the diagram of communication process. Means sender is sending the message and receiver is receiving the message with the help of the channel. This process is called coding and decoding. What is communication process? The transmission of sender's ideas to the receiver and receiver's feedback or the reaction to the sender is important in communication cycle. The process of communication begins when the sender wants to transmit a fact, idea, opinion or the other information to the receiver. The next step is translating or converting the message into the language which reflects the idea. That process is called encoding. Means the message should be clear to the receiver. Now we will discuss about some principles. Some of the principles of effective communication are principle of clarity in ideas, principle of appropriate language, principle of attention, consistency, adequacy, proper time, proper medium, and feedback. An effective communication system is based on the following principles. First principle is clarity. Means first of all it should be clear in the mind of the sender as to what he wants to say. According to Terry, the principle of effective communication is first to fully inform oneself. The clearer the thought, the more effective is the communication. Means message should be clear to the receiver. Principle of appropriate language. The language should be appropriate. According to this principle, the communication should always be in the simple language. Means idea should be clear and be avoided by the doubt. Means technical words and the words having various meanings should be used to be the minimum. Principle of attention. The purpose of communication is that the receiver of information should clearly understand its meaning. It means merely transferring the information is not communication, and it is important that the receiver should understand it. This is possible only when the receiver takes interest in the message and listen to the message attentively. Principle of consistency. According to this principle, communication system should be maintained consistency in the objective of the enterprise, its procedures and processes. It means communication should be in accordance with the policies laid down for it. Means the meaning of the message should be always same. The principle of adequacy. The information sent to the receiver should be sufficient and complete in every respect. Information more than the need or the less than the need is harmful. In the context of business, incomplete information is dangerous. Means few words are important. On the contrary, in the case of less capable receiver, more details are needed. Means information should be complete. Principle of proper time. The message should reach the receiver whenever they are needed. Late messages are meaningless and the utility of communication is ended. Hence, the message should be sent before the actual need, keeping in mind the time required for the message. Principle of proper medium. In order to make communication effective, it is necessary not only to have the clarity, ideas, inconsistency and completeness, but also to make a proper choice of the medium. The message means communication for the individual be clear to the receiver. It is essential that feedback is important. Means feedback, when feedback any person will give, then that means communication is completed. It means that the receiver message is understood by the receiver. Feedback is easily obtained in the face-to-face communication with the help of the facial reaction of the receiver. Means written communication will send the feedback. 7 major elements of the communication process are sender, ideas, encoding, communication channel, receiver, decoding and feedback. This is the communication cycle. Means sending the message, encoding process, then channel and then decoding process, and receiver receive the message, and complete feedback will received by the sender. The sender, the person who intends to convey the message with the intention of passing information and ideas to others, is known as the communicator. Means that provide the message. Ideas, this is the subject matter of the communication. This may be an opinion, attitude, feelings, views, orders or the suggestion. Encoding, since the subject matter of the communication is theoretical and intangible, its further passing requires use of certain symbols such as words, actions or pictures, etc. Conversion of subject matter into these symbols is process of encoding. Means the message should be translated with the help of any channel so that the receiver can receive the message in that translated form. Communication channel, the process who is interested in communicating has to choose the channel for sending required information, ideas, etc. This information is transmitted to the receiver through certain channels which may be either formal or informal. Means by air you are talking, via mobile you are talking, via the computer you are talking, which channel you are taking to talk with each other. Receiver, the receiver is the person who receives the message or for whom the message is meant for. It is the receiver who tries to understand the message in best possible manner in achieving the desired objective. Means receiver can understand the message and can take benefit of that message for completing that objective. Decoding, the person who receives the message or symbols from the communicator tries to convert the same in such a way so that may extract its meaning to his complete understanding. Means receiver can understand the message. And feedback, last is the feedback. That process is very important. That means communication has completed. Means feedback is process of ensuring that the receiver has received the message and understood in the same sense as the sender meant it. So it is all about the cycle and elements of the communication process. Thank you.